WapEx trading app. Is it real or fake? So what is WapEx? WapEx is a crypto options trading, copy trading platform. They offer features like copy trading, short-term, binary-style contracts, trading signals given by KOLs. They also claim to have regulatory measures like KYC, AML, know your customer, anti-money laundering in place. Now what are people saying? A lot of strong user complaints and warnings. Users say profits are blocked. They could trade, earn, but the withdrawals are locked or require additional payments to unlock them. Some report that KOLs encourage them with high win rates, very short-term trades, but those KOLs then disappear or stop responding. Trustpilot reviews have many one-star reviews. Avoid this broker, scam platform, do not visit, blocked accounts, etc. Scam advisor gives the site very low trust score. Many risk indicators flagged. Reddit threads also mention that payouts are inconsistent, that people are required to pay fees, sometimes hidden, to get profits or to access funds. A small amount of users claim they had successful trades and managed to withdraw quickly. The interface is said by some to be simple and supportive of demo accounts. Pulling together what the info suggests, here are the big warning signs. Withdrawal problems. Many users say they cannot withdraw profits or get asked to pay additional fees to do so. Requirements to pay fees or taxes or pay 30% of profits as a condition to withdraw. This is very often used in scam models. Promoters or KOLs give high win rate signals, often in short time frames, binary or 1-minute trading. These are risky, especially when operated unregulated. No clear or verifiable regulation or license. There is no record of WapEx being properly licensed in major financial regulatory jurisdictions. Low trust ratings from independent checker sites, scam advisors, and others flag many risk indicators. It has mixed or conflicting reviews. Many positive reviews may be faked or influenced by affiliates or KOLs. Given all the evidence, here's a reasonable assessment. There may be some legitimate users who actually manage to withdraw some small amounts. Platforms like this often allow small wins to build trust before larger issues arise. However, the high volume of complaints, the pattern of blocked withdrawals, additional fees, and the KOL promoter model strongly suggests WapEx is risky and likely functions in a way very similar to many crypto binary options trading scams. So it leans more towards being a scam, or at least extremely risky rather than being a safe, trustworthy app. If somebody still considers using WhatsApp, here are the precautions. Only invest money you can afford to lose. Do not trust guarantees of high returns or assurances by promoters or signals providers. Try small withdrawals first. If they impose conditions or fees, be cautious. Verify whether the platform is really regulated in your country. Avoid sending money via irreversible crypto payments to wallets you don't control, and be wary of pressure via social media or referral programs. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.